Have you ever seen a hotel with a sauna and an ice bath inside the room? Well, if you haven't, you're about to. Let's walk into room P5, which is the one-bedroom penthouse. And we got my assistant Sagan here.
What are we brewing up today?
Yeah, you can make cocktails and everything. And so, Sagan, you have an Osmo. You know how to work it.
Yeah.
Film me.
All right.
And so, welcome. So Sagan, he's my CMO. Actually, he's not my assistant. I was just playing. Let's do the official MTV Cribs tour here.
Mm-hmm.
So you walk in and you have the living room here. Really nice carpet. This is an underrated, underappreciated thing. I now need to get a nice carpet every place that I go. Very nice carpet, and then this is the one-bedroom penthouse. So this is the corner unit, and I was looking on Airbnb, and it was like $170 a night. The starting room was like $150 a night. So I was like, I might as well get the corner unit penthouse. This is the one-bedroom penthouse, and yeah, one bedroom in there. But obviously, the highlight of this whole thing is there's actually an ice bath and a sauna in the room. Can you believe that, Say?
That's crazy, man.
Can you believe that? And so you walk out to this huge balcony, and right here is cold plunge. Now, you might be asking, what's your question?
It's like,
What's on your mind?
no, I was just thinking you must live like Bruce Wayne, just waking up, hopping in the cold plunge.
For example, you called me at 8:30.
Yep.
I rolled out of bed. I was in my bed. Let me just show you.
Yeah, I was like, where's this guy at?
routine. And so this is what you can do. So when I saw on Airbnb that there's cold plunge in the hotel, I was like, I have to try it out. Now I'm only trying it out for 4 days because I had like a 4-day in between my 2 monthly places. So I was like, have to come try this out as like an lifestyle experiment. You know what I'm saying? So I literally popped out of bed like this morning. I went, oh, okay, I'll be right down. And I got up. Really comfy beds, by the way. And I've always wanted a cold plunge at my house. I actually had one at my Phuket house for a whole year. We bought an inflatable one, but you had to put ice in it, so it took a little bit of a setup. With this, I just came out here, did some stretching, and then you just walk up here, and then I got in like this, and I went, oh yeah! I mean, it's the best way to wake up. It's the best way. And so for
That's
me,
crazy.
I'm a dunker.
Yep.
Can never dunk, but I love to dunk in the cold pool. Take 5 deep breaths. I'm gonna hold my breath underneath for a minute or two. So I'll do just a little bit.
That's crazy.
Yeah! I wasn't even in the minute. A little longer.
That's crazy. You look like you know that scene in Wolverine where he's like in the water, like
Oh yeah.
being
Normally
created.
I come out of the water and I go like this. Because after that, there's no better high. It's like a line of cocaine. It's like a straight dopamine serotonin shot. Did we do ice bath in Bangkok? Did you?
No, we did that in we only did that in Lumira.
Oh, Oh, right. We went to Lamera. Yeah, so you've seen me do ice bath before. Best way to wake up, obviously everyone knows ice bath is will wake you the fuck up, or a cold shower, but it's obviously way better than cold shower because in Asia you don't really get cold water. You
Yeah.
just get, they don't have cold water, it's just room temperature water. And then it's not just that. So some of the units just have the cold plunge. Not every unit has the sauna, but I would say most of them have the sauna. Yeah. So then you have the sauna in here. It's pretty big. I mean, this can fit 5, 6, 7 people. This can fit the whole fam.
Yeah, this is major.
Yeah. This is major heavy duty in here. But the thing is, you need to turn it on. It takes about an hour to heat up. So I turned it on this morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Riley Bennett's not worried about the electric bill, huh?
Well, it's Airbnb, it's included. And then there's a 3-hour timer, so it automatically shuts off after 3 hours.
Nice, nice.
Oh, but then the next level, guys. It doesn't end there.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
You got the mini gym over here, so that would be clowning if this did come with the hotel room, but
Yeah.
this is mine.
Well,
I bought this on Facebook Marketplace.
You brought this in here?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Okay,
Get
go.
the weights up the stairs, and so
Yeah, that's crazy.
in the morning I'll come out here and get a
Oh,
full
yeah.
body workout.
Oh, some cleans.
Yeah.
Yep. That's it.
Love to get the bicep curls. And then so I'm officially traveling with this, and I just searched on Facebook Marketplace barbell, and the guy was selling it. It's like, hell yeah.
That's
And
crazy.
so this is my dream. This is my dream hotel. Sauna and ice bath in it. Fitness
Nice.
hotel. But the best is yet to come. Go to the rooftop.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want to cut this?
Yeah, cut the.
Try to find this ice bath place in Sonora.
Hold on. But the best is yet to come. So I walk out of my place, and this is the view. You come right over here. Welcome to the rooftop. So you'll notice right over here we have a humongous cold koozie. So it's about the same temperature. I would say it's about 10-ish, which qualifies as a cold plunge, not an ice bath. Ice bath, in my opinion, that's a little bit colder. I would say this is maybe 8.
Yeah.
Ice bath, you gotta be 5 or lower, I think. So you have a huge, there you go, huge cold koozie, wake your ass up, and then a huge sauna.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah. Huge sauna, and then infinity pool over there, but also
What?
yeah, fitness hotel.
That's crazy. This thing's nuts.
So they have the cardio machines up here, a salt runner, skier, bike.
That's cool.
Sled push, sled pull. So get this in the morning.
cool, man. Ah. Well,
And then,
it's the full thing.
yeah. So mini gym on the rooftop. They have barbells, bags, and plates. Cardio machines, pull-up rack. Plenty of sun tanning chairs. And then finally, the infinity pool. So normally I'll get up, do a little jungle gymming, a little monkeying around, and then hit some laps, swim some laps while getting some sun, because my perfect morning routine is basically just that, but it includes sun.
Yeah.
That's the only downside of the apartment. You don't get sun.
Yeah.
There's no sun, but you come up here, stretch, sun, sauna, ice bath, workout,
The sun.
and then ideally swim too. Swim really wakes your body up, and that's the perfect morning routine.
Optimal.
Yeah,
Living that life.
living that life, baby.